In this video, we will learn how to share Hostinger account access step by step. So let's get started. First of all, visit Hostinger hPanel and log in. Now on the left sidebar, look for account sharing option and click on it. On the following page, you will get two options: request access and grant access. If you click on request access, you can ask anyone to grant access, while the second option allows you to grant access. Click on it, then click again on grant access. Now it will ask you to add email of the person to which you want to grant the access. Now there are two permission roles, admin and collaborator. If you select the admin option, the person can manage services and also make purchases on your behalf. If you choose the second option, it will allow them to manage services only. They can't make purchases. Now, if you scroll down, there are options of managed services. You can choose any specific service which you want them to manage, such as there are two services available: domain and hosting. In this case, I will select the both services, which means they will be able to manage both of these services. You can restrict them to any one service as well. Finally, click grant access. Now it says that pending confirmation, one email has been sent to the recipient. Now once they approve, they will be able to get access. After some time, as we refreshed, you can see the status is now active, which means they have accepted the access. You can also edit their permissions by clicking edit button. Now you can change the permission role and manage services as well. If you want to remove the access, simply click the three dots and click remove access. This is how you can remove access. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.